My dear friends, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution because of he was the chairperson of drafting committee of Indian Constitution. The Constituent Assembly was first established in 9th December 1946 for framing the Indian Constitution, and it was completed in 26 November 1949. There are so many meetings for the framing of Indian Constitution, and so many committees and subcommittees for the detailing and finding the concept of Indian Constitution. Just we take as example Flag Committee. Dr. C. Rajgopalachari was the chairperson of Flag Committee, who has given the model of Indian flag like Tiranga. And apart from that, there are so many important committees we are running for the framing of Indian Constitution, like Fundamental Rights Committee, Union and State Relations Committee, and how can we frame our states of India on the basis of languages or so many things. But apart from that, very important committee was drafting committee. How we can compile the work of Indian Constitution related to fundamental rights, directive principle of state policy, the functioning of Supreme Court, functioning of High Court, and how can our executive work for smoothly running in Indian democracy, legislature. So many committees were working for the framing of Indian Constitution. Ultimately, our Constitution was completed in 26 November 1949 as 22nd lessons and 395 articles, 3 list: first union, second concurrent list, third state list, and residuary powers. But a thing is very important ultimately. Most important committee was drafting committee. How can we compile our committee's work as a beautiful constitution? This work was done by the Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar very beautifully and very intellectually. That's why it is known as the Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar was the father of Indian Constitution. Okay, thank you.